Folks, you know, it's just been brought to my attention that the liquor ban is in effect here in Angeles City until April 5th. It's like, what the all you can say is, what the fuck? When is this madness ever going to end in this country? Oh my gosh. Go to the damn convenience store, they got the black plastic over the booze section, the beer. I said, who's responsible for this? Is this like coming out of Manila? Is this Duterte? No, it's the mayor. Bless their hearts. I don't know what else to say. All I got in there is a half a bottle of goddamn nasty ass Tanduay. I don't even know where that come from or why that's in my ref.
And that's from Subic.
It came all the way here from Subic, but I got no idea why I bought that in Subic. You know, maybe that was, I don't know, but that's all I got. Half a bottle of Tanduay until April 5th. You know, and let you go out, find some local stores that are willing to do business. There you go. Welcome to the Philippines. Liquor ban until April 5th.
Only April 5th.
Just more absolute ridiculousness. All you can do is laugh about this shit. Ah, fuck, when will it ever end? Here, it will never end.
But that's good for me.
How is that good for you?
Because I'm not drinking.
Well, yeah, you don't drink. Well, guess what? I'm a beer drinker.
Oh, that's bad. Good.
You know,
Bad news for
it's to the point here that you really have to run a warehouse. Okay? I just need to clear a huge section or an entire room and stock this shit up with enough beer and liquor that I'm not concerned with liquor bans. But it's just sad that you gotta fucking be like that. I don't want to run a warehouse. You know, if I want some beer, I want to go down to the 7-Eleven and give me some beer.
So now what happened?
Pretty simple. Yeah, now look what happened.
Poor Marcos.
Ah, shit, all you can do is laugh at this shit. That's all. I mean, like, come on, man. Come on, really? Really?
Yeah, really.
Really, a fucking liquor ban for 2 weeks ain't doing shit. Nothing. It's not gonna accomplish nothing. But just give dudes like me shit to laugh at. My God. Anyhow, that's the news. Fucking liquor ban till April 5th.